Apple is pulling off the biggest heist in the tech world right now, and absolutely nobody is paying attention. For years, we all looked at the Apple TV as just a boring black box. It was something you used to watch Netflix or YouTube. It was just a basic accessory that sat under your television gathering dust. But massive new supply chain leaks reveal that Apple is secretly transforming this tiny device. They are turning it into a hyper-powerful supercomputer right under our noses. They are about to drop a product that rivals a PlayStation. It runs a completely private AI brain for your entire house. And it looks like a beautiful piece of luxury furniture. And the craziest part of all of this is the price. They're going to sell it so incredibly cheap that it almost feels like a scam. But there is a massive catch hidden in the fine print. Let me explain what is actually happening behind closed doors at Apple right now. Let me show you why this new device is going to change your living room forever. If you try to walk into an Apple store right now in April and buy an Apple TV, you will probably leave empty-handed. The shelves are totally bare. Renowned tech insiders are reporting that the inventory is completely wiped out worldwide. Now, Apple does not just run out of stock by accident. They're a trillion-dollar company with perfect supply chains. This is a deliberate move. They're clearing the path right now because millions of new units are sitting in shipping containers just waiting to launch. They are rushing this new hardware out right now instead of waiting for the holiday season. And the reason for this rush is a massive software update. In June, Apple is launching tvOS 27. This new update is entirely built around Apple Intelligence. It is going to change how your home operates. But they need a device powerful enough to run local AI before the summer event. The current models simply cannot handle it. The older Apple TV uses the A15 chip. That chip is completely fine for streaming movies or watching shows, but it is way too weak for real artificial intelligence. Think about it. When you ask Siri to turn off the lights right now, it sends your voice over the internet to a cloud server. That takes time. It creates that annoying 3-second delay where Siri just sits there thinking. Apple is officially killing the cloud. The new Apple TV features a massive brain transplant. It is getting the ultra-fast A17 Pro chip and 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is the exact same powerhouse silicon used in their premium mobile devices. This means all of your smart home commands are processed instantly inside the box. Your voice never leaves your living room. It guarantees total privacy and zero lag. But Apple is not just trying to fix Siri. They are declaring a massive war on traditional gaming consoles. With the sheer power of the A17 Pro chip, this new box is actually a hidden micro console. It is fully capable of running massive AAA console games natively. You will be able to play giant, heavy titles like Assassin's Creed, Resident Evil, and Tomb Raider directly on your TV. You will not need to buy an Xbox or a PlayStation ever again. It runs these heavy games at a smooth 30 frames per second at 1080p resolution. But it gets better. It uses Apple's Smart Metal FX upscaling technology to make the games look perfectly sharp on your massive 4K screen. It even has hardware-accelerated ray tracing for hyper-realistic lighting. Apple is finally giving casual gamers a solid reason to never buy a traditional console again. To match all of this extreme power, Apple is completely changing the design. The cheap, scratchy black plastic is finally gone. Leaks strongly confirm a brand new chassis. It is made entirely of premium recycled aluminum. It matches the beautiful industrial look of the high-end MacBooks. When you hold it, it will feel like a heavy, expensive piece of premium tech. It might even come in a sleek silver or a stealthy space black color. And for all the home theater fans out there, this device is an absolute dream come true. Apple is finally adding full HDMI pass-through for uncompressed audio. This means your expensive speakers will finally get raw Dolby Atmos sound without any digital limits holding them back. Your movies will sound better than they ever have before. So, how much does a premium aluminum AI-powered gaming machine actually cost? Prepare to be absolutely shocked. Leaks say the base model will cost only $130. That is an absolute steal for a device packing an A17 Pro chip. You cannot even buy a good smart speaker for that price. But here is the massive trap Apple has set for you. To keep the price that low, they locked the base storage at a tiny 64 gigabytes. A single huge AAA game can take up 50 gigabytes easily. You will run out of space immediately after downloading one game. You'll be forced to delete things constantly. However, there is an incredible secret loophole that you need to know about. Insiders claim Apple might include a hidden USB-C port on the back of the new model. If they do, you could buy the cheap $130 model. Then, you just plug in a cheap external hard drive. This allows you to completely bypass Apple's strict and expensive storage limits. You can have terabytes of space for pennies. It is the ultimate hack for smart gamers and tech lovers. In my best opinion, this new Apple TV is going to be the absolute smartest purchase of 2026. Apple is practically giving away extreme processing power for $130 just to lock you into their ecosystem. They know exactly what they're doing. They know that if they give you an amazing smart home hub and a free gaming console inside one gorgeous box, you will eventually pay for Apple Arcade subscriptions. You will eventually buy more Apple smart home gear. The premium aluminum design ensures this device will last for years sitting proudly under your TV. And the raw audio pass-through makes it the perfect ultimate entertainment hub for any living room. It is a brilliant business strategy by Apple, and it provides insane value for the consumer. You're getting the deal of a lifetime. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. And let me know your thoughts down in the comments. This is the new standard for home entertainment.